Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, soaking up some of this last minute sunshine in November, the end of November. Hey, today I want to show you this 2018 Wildwood 175 FB. It's a great little short trailer, single axle, very easy to pull, very lightweight, nice to get in and out of. Let's walk around the outside, see a little bit of what you got. You got a nice hot water heaters up here in front. It is a DSI. Automatic start, push the button on the inside to get it fired up. You've got a nice, this one's got a manual awning, pull it out, nice shade outside. Again, single axle makes them very easy to pull, very easy to maneuver. You do have stabilizer jacks on both the front and the rear of this trailer, so it's going to be very stable once you get it set up. You got a nice spare tire back here on the back where it's easy to get to. Yeah, let's go inside and take a look. Again, this is a 175, a 17-foot trailer. It's a fairly short trailer, but it's got everything you need, nothing you don't. Nice queen-size bed here, walk around. You do have some nice storage underneath of it. Again, your hot water heater is up there in that corner. You got nice storage compartments up above the bed. This one doesn't have any hanging wardrobes on the side, which makes it feel a whole lot bigger. So you're gonna end up, I think, storing most of your clothes and stuff underneath the bed. Nice little kitchen area. Nice fridge down here on the bottom. Does have a freezer in there. Nice amount of counter space, a little sink, 2-burner stove. Again, more cabinets up here, plenty of space for pots and pans and dishes and whatnot. More storage on the other side as well. Again, this is a used unit. This still has the plastic on the stereo system, so hasn't been used very well, or very much. The dinette does fold down into a bed, and you've got storage underneath here as well on both sides. Back here in the back, oh, here's another little pantry area, a lot of storage there. Plus some cabinets below the sink. Big area, I don't know if you can get in there, there's a lot of storage in there. Back here in the bathroom, it's got a nice little tub, shower, more cabinets back here. There's a lot of storage in this little trailer. And a nice sink area there. Again, my name is Casey Sanguins. This is the 2018 Wildwood 17FB. If you have any questions about this or anything else we have in inventory, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.